Hello everyone, welcome back to English 2. So in this video, we'll be talking about adverbial clause. So what will be covered in this video? The first is what is adverbial clause, and next the types of adverbial clause. So let's start with the definitions of adverb. So before we discuss what it means by adverbial clause, we need to know the meaning of adverb. So adverb is actually a word that can modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Ya, jadi adverb itu adalah kata keterangan dalam bahasa Indonesia. Itulah sebuah kata yang bisa memodify di sini maksudnya memberikan meaning tambahan gitu ya, memberikan keterangan tambahan untuk verb atau untuk kata sifat atau another verb atau untuk adverb yang lain gitu ya, untuk kata keterangan yang lain. For example, she swims quickly. So here the adverb quickly modifies the verb swims. Ya, jadi she swims, jadi dia berenang. Berenang dengan cara seperti apa gitu ya. Jadi that's why we need adverb here if we want to give additional meaning to the swims. Jadi dia berenang dengan cepat, dengan cara cepat ya, quickly. She is an extremely quick swimmer ya. So actually we can just say she is a quick swimmer. Jadi dia adalah berenang yang sangat cepat. Berenang yang cepat gitu ya. And then we want to know how quick gitu ya. Jadi seberapa cepat. And then that's why we need an adverb here that is extremely quick. So the sentence is gonna be she is an extremely quick swimmer. Ya. So again the adverb extremely modifies the adjective of quick. Jadi quick extremely ini memberikan ketambahan tambahan untuk si quick. Ya, kalau ini tadi quick ini memberikan keterangan tambahan ke si swims ya, itu adverb. The last example, she swims extremely quickly ya, jadi dia berenang dengan cepat. Jadi kita juga bisa memberikan keterangan tambahan untuk kata keterangan ini, yaitu sangat cepat gitu ya, if we want to know how fast or how quick she swims. Jadi adverb ini memberikan keterangan ke adverb yang lain ya, jadi ini adverb juga. Okay, so again, the adverb extremely modifies the adverb quickly. Yeah, that's about adverb, and now let's talk about what is adverbial clause. Yeah, so adverbial clauses or adverb clauses, yeah, sometimes we call it adverbial clause and sometimes we call it adverb clauses, are dependent clauses that function as adverbs in a sentence. Yeah, so again, this is one of the kinds of dependent clauses. It means that the clause cannot stand alone, it has to be connected with other clauses ya. Jadi sekali lagi dependent clause itu adalah clause yang tidak bisa berdiri sendiri ya, jadi harus digabungkan dengan clause yang lain ya. Clause itu a group of word that consists at least one subject and one verb gitu ya. Oke, jadi dia katanya berfungsi sebagai adverbs. Tadi adverbs itu kan memberikan keterangan tambahan gitu ya, untuk tadi kalau adverb memberikan keterangan tambahan untuk kata kerja, kata sifat, dan kata keterangan yang lain, gitu ya. Di sini juga fungsinya untuk memberikan keterangan tambahan dalam sebuah kalimat, gitu ya. Jadi untuk memodify sebuah kalimat, itu yang disebut dengan adverb clauses. Tapi dia harus berbentuk clause ya, subject verb. Kalau adverb tadi kan hanya berbentuk satu kata, gitu ya. Misalkan very, quickly. Kalau adverb clauses berarti dia berbentuk clause, jadi harus ada subject dan ada verb ya. Just like adverbs, they answer the questions when, where, how, and why to describe time, place, manner, purpose. Jadi sama seperti adverbs, bahwa sebenarnya mereka menjawab pertanyaan kapan, di mana, bagaimana, dan kenapa, gitu ya, mendeskripsikan waktu, tempat, cara, dan tujuan. Let's look at some examples here. Before you leave, please turn off the light. Ya. So before you leave, please turn off the lights. Jadi yang adverbial clause-nya di sini adalah yang ini, ya. Jadi ini yang disebut dengan adverbial clause, ya. Jadi clause yang memberikan keterangan tambahan untuk kalimat ini. Jadi sebenarnya ini bisa kita pisahkan. Please turn off the lights, gitu ya. Nah, kita mau tahu mendeskripsikan kapan gitu kan. Jadi kapannya itu before you leave, ya. Inilah klausa adverbialnya, ya. Next example, the show will start after the sun goes down. Ini sama ya. Jadi the show will start. Nah, show itu akan mulai. But the question is when, gitu ya. Jadi after the sun goes down. Jadi ini sebuah clause ya, yang terikat dengan the show will start, gitu maksudnya ya, dependent clause. She acted like it was a joke. Ya, jadi this is adverb of manner ya. Jadi ini keterangan cara. Dia berakting. Berakting seperti apa? Dia berakting seperti bahwa itulah sebuah joke gitu ya. The last example, we cancel the trip because the weather has gotten worse. Jadi we cancel the trip. But the question is why gitu ya. Jadi inilah fungsinya dari adverbial clause, memberikan keterangan tambahan ke sini ya. Ini lagi-lagi juga ini memberikan keterangan tambahan ke sini. Ini tadi ke bagian ini dan ini ke sini. Okay, that's what we call as adverbial clause. Yeah, and now let's look at the types of adverbial clauses in detail. And we've got some types here, and what is the function and the markers, and we'll look at some examples. The first one is adverb clauses of time. Jadi adverb clauses of time ini berarti berkaitan dengan waktu ya. Adverb clauses of time tell us about when something happens. Jadi kapan suatu terjadi. We can use conjunctions like when, whenever, before, after, as, while, until, as soon as, and since ya, sejak. Ya, ini juga termasuk conjunction juga. We have learned this before ya. Ini termasuk penghubung ya. Jadi dia bisa juga berfungsi untuk adverbial clauses ya. For example, I stop running. I stop running. Saya berhenti berlari. Nah, jadi kan sebenarnya bisa stop gitu. Tapi we want to add some other sense to the sentence ya. Beberapa makna untuk kalimat ini. Sehingga kita jelaskan dengan adverbial clause ya. Yaitu dengan when I saw my friend. Oke? Itu dia. Kalian bisa membaca the rest of the examples here. The next one is adverbial clauses of place. Nah, sekarang we focus on the place. Adverb clauses of place tell us about where. Yeah, the point is where something happens. We can use the conjunctions where, wherever, or everywhere in our sentence. Yeah. Wherever I go, I always see a McDonald's restaurant. Okay. I'm not sure where she lives. Yeah, I'm not sure. What are you not sure about gitu ya. Jadi Anda tidak yakin tentang di mananya, di bagian mana gitu ya. Where she lives. We met kind people everywhere we went. Okay. Next example, adverbial clauses of condition. So it tells us about the circumstances under which something happens. Jadi kondisi ya. Jadi atau syarat atau situasi. Jadi keadaan di mana sesuatu itu terjadi ya. These clauses often begin with if, unless, provided that ya. Jika, kecuali jika ya. Provided that itu juga artinya jika ya. I only watch TV. Nah, kondisinya if my favorite show is on ya. So ini adalah adverbial clause-nya. Oke. Nah, untuk menerangkan kondisi saya menonton TV jika favorite show saya itu on ya. He won't go to the university unless he studies very hard. Ya, the last example, you can play the game if ya atau provided that you follow the rules. Okay? That's what we call as adverbial clauses of conditions. Let's continue with the types of adverbial clauses. Yeah, still ya. So the next type of adverbial clause is adverbial clauses of manner. Manner ya, terangan cara. Jadi bagaimana sesuatu dilakukan ya. Show how something happens atau bagaimana sesuatu terjadi. This usually begin with the conjunctions like, as though, or as if. Like itu seperti ya. As though itu seolah-olah ya, the same as if. Ya, she looked as though she was in pain. Wah, dia kelihatannya seperti dia terluka gitu ya, dia punya luka. Oke? Nah, ini dia. Ryan walked past as if he hadn't seen us. Jadi si Ryan-nya berjalan ya, lewat dari kita, dari depan kita, seolah-olah dia tidak melihat kita gitu kan ya. He talked to me. Nah, seperti apa? Dia berbicara dengan saya. Caranya seperti apa? like I was a child, ya. Jadi inilah yang disebut dengan adverbial clauses of manner. Next one, adverbial clauses of cause or reason. Adverbial clauses of cause or reason, jadi penyebab atau alasan. Jadi used to show why something happens. These clauses begin with the conjunctions because itu karena, ya. Since juga itu bisa artinya karena. Jadi bukan hanya sejak, ya. Kalau itu tadi keterangan waktu. As juga artinya karena, ya. For example, I listen to classical music because it sounds beautiful. Since you are so kind to me, I will help you. As it was so funny, he walked to the park. Karena sangat sunny gitu, ya, jadi dia pergi ke park, ya. Next one, adverbial clauses of effect. Sekarang kalau ini penyebab, ini sekarang sebab akibatnya gitu, ya. Clauses of effect tell us about consequences. Jadi konsekuensinya apa? They often begin with so that and such that, ya. So biasanya di sini ada kata sifat, that, kemudian di sini ada subject verb. Ya, such juga biasanya kata sifat gitu, ya. Baru that, kemudian diikuti dengan subject verb biasanya, ya. I was so tired, ya. I was so tired that I couldn't stay awake, ya. Jadi saya sangat lelah sehingga saya tidak bisa terbangun gitu, ya. The meal was so delicious that we made it again the next day. Okay, that's the example of adverbial clauses of effect. Yeah, if you want to look at some examples of the use of such that, then you can find it online, and we will look at that on exercise. Yeah. Next, still, yeah, the types of adverbial clauses. Now it's adverbial clauses of comparison. Comparison is perbandingan. Jadi fungsinya compare things or ideas, ya, membandingkan things or ideas, ya. They often begin with the conjunctions then or as, ya. As, ya. For example, my brother is older than he looks, ya. Jadi my brother is older. Jadi kalau mau dibandingkan kita pakai adverbial clause itu than he looks, ya. She is as beautiful as she is smart, ya. Jadi ini adverbial clause-nya, ya. Clause ada subjek ada verb-nya, berfungsi untuk comparison, ya. Next one, adverbial clauses of concession atau contrast. Ini berlawanan, ya, mendeskripsikan statement yang berlawanan, ya, atau kejadian bagaimana sesuatu itu terjadi, ya. Although it rained, they enjoyed their walk. Walaupun hujan, mereka menikmati perjalanan mereka, gitu, ya. Jadi ini adverbial clause-nya sama juga di sini dan sini, ya. You can read it yourself, ya. Adverbial clauses of purpose. Sekarang we are talking about tujuan, ya. Adverbial clauses of purpose show something is happening. Why something is happening? The intended result. Jadi ini fokusnya untuk apa, gitu, ya. Untuk apa. So biasanya kita pakai so that. So that itu artinya sehingga, ya. Sehingga, less, sehingga juga, ya, in order that, agar, ya, sehingga. For example, he took off his shoes so that he would not ruin the carpet. Jadi dia melepas sepatunya sehingga dia supaya dia tidak merusak karpetnya. Okay? And then you can read this yourself. And that is the explanation of adverbial clauses, and we have looked some examples of adverbial clauses. And now what I'd like you to do is to please do the exercises about adverb clauses, post-it and cheese, yeah. And next one, please do this on Google Doc, yeah. Google Doc will be shared during the class, yeah. So during our synchronous meeting, we will do writing exercises, and we will focus on the use of adverbial clauses, okay. So please write one sentence containing noun clause, containing adjective clause, and containing adverbial clause, okay. So these are the references that we use, and this is the end of the video. I'll see you in the synchronous meeting. Thank you.